What is a hydraulic power pack? Have you ever wondered how hydraulic machines generate such powerful force? The answer is the hydraulic power pack. A hydraulic power pack is the heart of any hydraulic system. It generates hydraulic power and supplies pressurized oil to operate cylinders, motors, and other hydraulic components. A typical power pack consists of hydraulic oil tank, reservoir, electric motor or diesel engine, hydraulic pump, control valves, filters, pressure gauge, and piping. Here's how it works. The motor drives the hydraulic pump. The pump draws oil from the tank and delivers it under pressure through control valves. This pressurized oil then powers hydraulic cylinders or motors to perform work. Hydraulic power packs are widely used in hydraulic presses, industrial machinery, construction equipment, material handling systems, marine and offshore applications. Advantages of hydraulic power packs: high force generation, smooth and precise control, compact design, reliable operation, easy maintenance. Without a hydraulic power pack, most hydraulic machines would not be able to perform heavy-duty operations efficiently. That's why the hydraulic power pack is often called the powerhouse of a hydraulic system.